Hey guys, welcome back. We are here at the Porsche stand at Brussels Motor Show. We have here the all new 718 Cayman GTS for Gran Turismo Sport. It's the last one we have here, and we're gonna have a quick look at the outside and inside and try to give you a maximum of details about this car. So let's have a look at the front bumper. It's really nice one. You can recognize easily it's a Porsche. You have like on the Carrera you have here the LEDs, the reading LEDs here. Nice grille with big holes to go through the radiator to cool up the engine. It's really nice. Big bumper with nice front lips here. Makes pretty aggressive. Front lights we have always the same LED lights, like on the Panamera or the Cayenne. You have matrix LED and 4 smaller LEDs here on the side of the central one. About the wheels, we are here really nice matte black wheels, really cool finishing, and we have that huge caliper here, nice and huge brake discs, and we have it on P0 Pirellis here, 20 inches, really big. So this one is the sporty version of the 718, and you have really nice aerodynamical stuff here. We have that huge holes here at the back of the front door that let the air go through the back and really make it faster. We have also here on the side mirrors we have those little appendices which can allow the air go through and make it simply go faster. And here at the back we have also 20 inches, really big wheels, really nice to see. Rear lights, you can easily recognize it's a Porsche. It keeps all the style of Porsche, and you recognize it with those little lips here, the spoilers. We also have two nice exhaust tips here in the middle and a really cool diffuser here. Pretty good to see. So we have here a little space for the trunk, really nice. So let's have a look at the price. We have here a base price for the 718 Cayman GTS of 79,000 euros, and we can add here a lot of option, comfort, colored wheels, etc. And you have here for this model a price of a bit more than 100,000 euros. About the specs, we have here a 2.5 liter flat 4 with 365 horsepower, and here we have the PDK automatic transmission with 7 speeds. So let's have a look at the interior. I will just need maybe to make a bit space for me. I'm pretty big, so making a bit of space, but from here it looks really nice. So here we go. Let's close the door so we don't hear outside noise. So here we are in the inside of the 718 Cayman GTS. It feels pretty sporty, like really feel like you are in a kind of race car. It's really nice. You can feel all the Alcantara on the door panels, on the steering wheel, on the rooftop here. It's really classy and sporty at the same time, so really nice. We have also nice red stitching on the leather seats, the race seats, really nice to see and watch. You can feel it's pretty comfy. We have also that nice clock here in the middle of the dashboard. It's really always cool to have it. It's really nice to see and have it in the middle of your Porsche. Steering wheels, as I said, in Alcantara, it's really soft feel, really nice to have in hand and to drive, I think, with it. We don't have buttons here for music or navigation or what else. We just have here the normal sports plus in individual modes. So it's really nice to have. We're gonna just put maybe the key in it. So you can just maybe put the contact mode. So here we are. Just gonna put the sound. So here we have. So as I said, here we have the sport modes. We can control paddle shift here behind, really nice, and you feel it's pretty steady, and you can't break it easily. It's really well made. RPM meters here in the middle, like always in the Porsche. It's really nice, and you have this one in the red. It's really cool. Speedometer and the small screen where you can have your dashboard information. Really nice art stitching here on the leather dashboard, and here on the central part we also have a really nice carbon finishing here in the middle on the dashboard and on door panels. Really, you feel like you are in a race car. Really, it deserves its GTS name. So here the seats are pretty comfy, but you feel like you are in a race car. You can sit really great in it. You have a lot of settings. You can control it and find the perfect set to your body. So it's really nice. So here we have the touch screen where you can control music, climate controls. You have information about the car. You can check for the assistance. You have a lot of things. Really nice, really nice. Climate controls here. You have a lot of navigation, map. Really nice map you have here. Smooth, precise, and pretty fast. Car, phone, source, everything you have as in the other ones. Transmission was the PDK with 7-speed automatic transmission. We have also the manual mode, which is pretty should be pretty cool to drive it. We have also here suspension control, make it softer or harder. Traction control, you have the small spoiler you can pop out or pop in. Exhaust valve, you can make it a little louder or not, and here the start and stop button, you can control everything you want. And as on the Carrera, we have here the cup holders, which is hidden here in the dashboard. It's pretty nice, really cool stuff.